Understanding the way the world's going at present, we realised that by cutting down on consumables in regards to the business, this would assist us in regards to freeing up money to other things, into marketing and everything else, or running the business or employing another person. It might sound ridiculous, but the amount of money you can save from power could be the difference between you putting another staff member on or not. We actually contacted 8 companies, but we were very thorough in our research. We then got it down to Shane from Green Energy, and he was explaining things quite logically, explain it and break it down into small bits for an industry that I didn't know a lot about, and then made it easy to understand the whole process and what was involved with it. When we boiled it down from the 8 that we actually spoke to, only 2 had quality products in the marketplace in Townsville. With the other products that were on the marketplace, but they were there to make a quick buck. Green Energy actually explained it in detail in regards to what we can maximise in their situation. It's pretty much true to form exactly what they told us. It's exactly what it's producing at this stage. So, in our decision making to go with Green Energy, it was the main factors was the honesty, being able to sit down and explain, and they've been patient in regards, because I think Shane came for about 7 meetings. So we were very careful in what we were doing, and he was more than happy to come each time. We wanted an overall player to actually look after us, and after sales service was so good, and it's still so good now. It's really nice to have someone that actually cares about what you are doing and what you're trying to achieve. And I base my business on that, and having a business to do that for me is a really, really nice feeling. So definitely put Green Energy at the top of your list, because I believe that in the end, after you've gone through all the products, all the other providers and also servicing, that you'll find that you can't go wrong. Green Energy was hands down and a standout product for me.